Dear students, today let us see the chapter Data Handling for Class 6 Mathematics. The topics covered will be data, types of data, tally mark, pictograph, and bar graph. By the end of this video, you all will be able to understand what a data is, and you will also be able to represent a given data in the form of tally marks, pictograph, and bar graph. Let's see what a data is. A collection of raw information in the form of numbers is called data. Say, for example, the marks of 5 students out of 10 is given below. So 9, 3, 5, 7, and 1. So these marks, they are called the data. The information in the form of numbers, figures, or names, which is used to find out things and used to make decision, is called data handling. Types of data: primary or raw data. When an information is collected and presented randomly, that is called a raw data. For example, if we are taking the height of 5 students of class 6, and if it is recorded, then it is 156, 158, 164, 163, and 168. This is called your raw data. Secondary data: the data collected from an external source like TV, newspaper, etc. Tally marks. Tally marks are always represented in a bunch of 5. The symbol I is used to denote the value 1. The number of times a particular observation occurs in a given set of data is called frequency. So in the below chart, we can see the tally marks for the numbers from 1 to 10. So if you see here, we can see that one vertical line stands for 1. But as we move around, we can see that for the number 5, the tally mark is represented as 4 vertical lines, and the fifth one is crossed diagonally from first to fourth. So let's see a tally mark and a frequency table representation for 30 students in a class according to their blood group. So here we can see that for the blood group A, the tally mark is represented as 5 and 4. So the total number of students having the blood group A is 9. The number of students having blood group B is 6. AB blood group is 3 and O blood group is 12. Pictograph. Pictograph is one of the most convincing way an information can be illustrated. We always know that the information can be illustrated using graphs, charts, and diagrams. So, pictograph is a way of representing data through pictures of objects. These are very useful in attracting the attention and they are easily understood. They are self-explanatory. Symbol chosen should be clear, concise, and interesting. Let's see, for example, a pictograph here. Here we can see that it is the number of visitors represented from Monday to Friday. So against Monday, we can see that there are 4 smiling faces. Below, it is represented that one smiling face represents 6 visitors. So in total, on Monday, 24 visitors have visited. Likewise, in Tuesday, we can see that there are 2 spaces. So total of 6 into 2, 12 visitors have visited. On Wednesday, 3 smiling faces, which means that 6 into 3, 18 visitors have visited. Likewise, we can come to the conclusion on Thursday and Friday how many visitors have come. Bar graph. Representing data by pictograph is not only time consuming but also very difficult. To overcome this, we have a bar graph. A bar diagram consists of many rectangular bars. The bars are drawn between the horizontal line x-axis and the vertical line y-axis. The interval between the bars must be equal and the thickness of the bars must be uniform throughout. Through bar graphs, the statistical data can be easily understood, and bar graph can also be used to compare two or more items easily. So here we have a bar graph which shows the types of school supplies like the stationeries, pen, scale, pencil, sharpener, eraser, and how much it is being supplied to the students. So at the top we have the title of the bar graph, which says the school supplies student use. And in the x-axis we have the types of school supplies, and y-axis we have the number of school supplies. So by looking at this bar graph, we can easily read out that the stationary pencil has been, the number of supplies for pencil is 8. The number of supplies for scale is 3. Likewise for pen it is 2. Sharpener it is 5. And eraser it is 4.